There's tons of places to rent jet skis and boats and stuff. You gotta have fuel. Yeah, that was really cool though. That was the first time I ever really got on it. I wasn't even paying attention to the RPMs. I had to have been above 3,500. And it handled the corners at that speed like nothing. Like it said slow down 40 miles per hour for the corner. Yeah, right. I took that shit at like 90. It's a big bump. Yeah, I should be getting the mic muffle thing for my microphone. It only costs like $5 on Amazon, so it should be coming today. Because positioning it in different spots didn't really seem to make a difference. I'm still breathing super heavy into it, and on the freeway it's really bad. Can't even make out what I'm saying. This is really cool. All I need is for some wild pig or something to jump out in front of me. When I get home, I gotta start the process to get my old title for Harley-Davidson, because they can't even sell that. Well, I don't think that they can sell that bike without the title, so it's kind of a useless trade-in for them right now. That sucks. I feel bad about it. I gave the guy my word. Yeah, there's no problem with the title. Oh well. Second gear now. This is a pretty steep hill. One thing I notice about this bike is there's not as much engine braking as my Dyna, which isn't a bad thing, but it is something to notice. Pretty cool. Damn, it stinks though. Wildlife are taking dumps over there. Oh, there's some deer that just ran in that bush. Luckily, there's no one behind me because I am not going any faster. Sun visor down. Shit. This road's so damn bumpy, I can't put my... God damn damn it, my sun visor. Alright, I gotta stop up here. Alright, I'm ready to get off this road. Luckily the sun's over there. I'm just not gonna look at it. I'm fine. Ah, shit. This bend is gonna position me, so I'm looking at it. Guess I'm alright. Dangerous intersection. In other words, go slow as hell. Alright, so I think I want to go left. Jesus. Sand. Ah, crap, I don't want to go here. Well, fuck it. We're going this way. But I gotta stop and change this visor because I can't see shit. Okay, where's my button at? There we go. Sweet. Now I can see. See, these gloves are too fat. I normally get my pinky and my ring finger underneath the clutch. Well, that's a pretty big Falcon. One thing about riding that's awesome is freaking ripping it.